We set the image of the product we want to promote on TikTok Shop and we get the video back to post.
Since I began using these organic superfood greens and reds, my digestion has been more comfortable and my blood pressure feels better too.
Seriously, if you want to level up game night, just click the link and get Monopoly deal. Trust us.
I just built this TikTok Shop automation system that creates viral TikTok Shop videos with your affiliate product in it. Here is just a couple examples of how much money people are making with this kind of systems. TikTok Shop is available in US and UK, so if you are from those countries, take advantage of this while not many people know about it. Even if you're not from US or UK, you can go to this site, monetize pages, and get an account from US or UK to post your TikTok Shop videos. So TikTok Shop is activated in that account. It will cost about $500 for this kind of account, and you can start immediately posting there. Take a look at this account, Lucky Deals. This guy is generating these AI videos with this same kind of system and is making tons of money with this. Let's just have a look at one. This one has 82k views. Let's have a look at it.
No.
With this 6-second video he got 82k views. Imagine how many sales is that. Even if 0.5% of people buy one of his products, he will be making like 400 sales. If this was a $10 or $20 product with him making a $5 commission, let's say, he will be making $2,000 only from this video. That's why I'm begging you guys to take advantage of this, because not many people know about this at the moment. It is a hidden gem. That is why I created this workflow, so you can automate every video with just a click of a button. Let me show you how it works. We start first by sending a photo and a prompt to our Telegram. Just provide a photo of the product you have the affiliate link for. Send it to the Telegram with a prompt and the AI will do the work for you. After that, the system gets the image path and the ChatGPT analyzes it. Then we go to an AI agent which creates the prompts for the image. Then we create the image using key.ai. After that we get the image and we send it to the AI agent which creates a video prompt now. He will be creating 3 different videos which we will be stitching together to make a full 24-second clip, so you can post it on your TikTok. After we're done with that, we create the videos with Veo3 and get the videos. Then we combine that with File AI to be sent to our Telegram bot. We start first by creating a Telegram trigger. Click on the plus icon and search for Telegram here. After that, click on message trigger. Now, the only thing we have to do here is just connect the credential. Create a new credential and we need to put in the access token. How we get that is we go to Telegram, search for botfather on Telegram and click on this icon, botfather. Click on open. Just a moment. Then create a new bot here. Name the bot whatever you want and create bot. Now just copy this access token here. Paste it on access token field. Save. After we save that, we have to go on Telegram. Click on this username TikTok Shop 123 bot, your bot's username, and click on message. Press on start. Now we have the bot ready. Let's try to send an image of a product and with a prompt. Execute the step on n8n. Now we can send the product with a prompt. After we're done with that, we just click on send. The node that executed successfully, and we have everything on the right side here. The message and everything. This was the first step. Now we have to click on the plus icon on the right side. Edit fields. Inside of here, click on manual mapping. On the name, just enter bot ID, bot space ID. Click on the string. Delete this if you have it empty. Good. But now go on the Telegram bot again. Go on botfather. Click on open and copy this access token again. We have to paste it inside of here. After you've pasted that, click on execute step. This was done to get the bot ID as a variable, so we can just drag and drop it in future references and we don't have to enter it manually every time. Let's move on to the third node. Click on the plus icon again. Search for HTTP request enter get, then for URL, we get it from here. Let me show you. Now don't screenshot yet, because I'll tell you everything what to do after I delete this. Delete this part after bot and delete this also. Now here's how you'll do it on your own system. Drag and drop this bot ID we got from the previous node. This is the reason we did it. And paste it inside after the bot part here. On the end, you just drag and drop this file from Telegram trigger. Go to photo 0 on brackets and drag and drop this file ID. If you see everything green and this on the end looks kind of the same, good job, that's how it should look. Now we execute this step. This was done to get the image in a format so n8n can store it and read it for future nodes, just like so. Photo path, we have photos/file0.jpg. Now we can use the image we send on Telegram for other nodes. For the next step, we click on plus icon here and search for OpenAI. Click on OpenAI, and we need now the analyze image node. Inside of here you have to connect your OpenAI credentials. Click on new credential, and you need an API key for this. You just go to platform.openai.com, create an account inside of here. After you're done so, click on the settings button and go to API keys on the left. Now you just create a new secret key, but make sure you have some credits into your account, like $5 or $10, because this won't work otherwise. I've already connected mine, so I will be using it. On resource, make sure this is image, operation analyze image, and the model just choose ChatGPT for all latest. For the text input, let me go to my previous node. Just screenshot this prompt right here so you can paste into ChatGPT to give you the text. Now we have given this model this kind of prompt to determine if the image is a character or a product. It is only considered both if there is two completely separate images within the same image. What does this mean is that if you want to include a character and a product in the same picture, we make sure the AI knows that and differentiates the character from the product. Your output should only include the description, nothing else. After you're done with that, go to URLs, click on expression, and then paste this code. But don't screenshot this yet. Let's remove this JavaScript code first. Now you can screenshot this or you can write it. Now on the bot, just next to it, click on edit fields, the previous node we had, and drag and drop this bot ID. And in the end, we drag and drop the file path we got from the HTTP node. This is where we use it. If you see everything green, good job, you're done with this field. Now execute step. If we see this, it was successful. Let's continue connecting this with an AI agent now to create the image prompt. Click on the plus icon, enter AI agent. Now inside of here, click on define below. And for the prompt, let me get it from my main assistant. This is the prompt you will be using. You can screenshot this to ChatGPT and get the text. Now under user instructions, this will be red because you'll have to do it manually for your own system. Let me show you how. Under here, we enter the caption we entered inside the Telegram bot with our product. We can find this on the bottom of the Telegram trigger. Just drag and drop it inside of here. If you see this green, then it's a good job. Delete the red one. The description of the reference image, we get it from the previous ChatGPT node, which is the content right here. Just drag and drop this one here. Let me delete the first one. Now that's done. This is the prompt we give to the AI agent so it knows what it should come out. Make a one image prompt. Ensure the details of the reference image are as accurately as possible for the final product. Then we enter the instructions here, which are from the caption in the beginning and the description of the ChatGPT image analyzer. Then we go to options on the bottom, click on add option, click on system message. Now this will be a long prompt inside of here. Feel free to screenshot and paste into ChatGPT everything so you get the text. What this does just gives the role in life for the AI agent. You create image prompts, then we give some main objectives. Some characters should always be described as realistic and lifelike. We just give these rules for the AI agent, so it creates these super realistic things, so people don't think that this is an AI video. This is the secret to making these viral TikTok shop videos, because if you don't specify the rules for the AI agent, it will make a prompt, a generic one, and the video will look so bad, and most likely people will not buy from it because it will be an AI slop. After we're done with that, we need to connect the chat model. Click on the bottom right here and connect the OpenAI chat model. If you have a Gemini or another model, no problem, you can connect that too. Connect your credentials just like before. I have selected GPT 4.1 mini because it's super cheap and also does the job great for this prompt. After we're done with that, we have to connect another tool. Search for Think tool. This makes sure the AI agent double checks everything before sending it to us. Basically makes it a little bit smarter. Then we are done with the AI agent. Just execute it. Let's see the output. As you can see, we have an output for the image. For the next node, we have to create the image. Click on the plus icon, enter HTTP request again, but this time, for the method, click on post. For the URL, we have to get this one from the Kai API. This one is fixed, so make sure you copy and paste it just like so. Click on authentication, generic credential type. After that, header authentication. Now I have connected my credentials already, but you can do so by creating a new credential. Name this authorization. And for the value, go to key.ai, create an account there on this page, fill it with some credits, let's say $5. Go to API key and create a new API key. After you're done with that, copy this API key, go to value, click on expression, and inside of here you have to enter bearer space, then your API key here. For example, it should look like this. After you enter your API key with a bearer, you click on save, and that's how you connect your key API with this system. Now we click on send body, and we'll be using a JSON format. Specify body using JSON. As you can see, this is the red JavaScript part. We have to modify it for our own system, so delete it. Delete this after the bot part. Go again into edit fields on the bot ID. Then drag and drop it after bot. On the second JavaScript code, delete this part. And we have to go to HTTP request, the previous one, and get the file path from there. Paste it after the slash. If you see this green, it's okay. And for the prompt, delete this one if it's red for you, and get it from the AI agent, the output one we just got. If you see everything green, then you have done a wonderful job. That's all for this node. Click on execute step. If you see a code 200, that means that the process has already begun. Now we just have to wait a few seconds before the image is done for us. Then click on plus icon and connect the waiting node. This is done so the process will be done automatically when we do it on production mode. This should usually be like 120 seconds. That is usually fine, but for this tutorial I'll put it at 1. We can also check on key.ai. Click on the logs on the bottom left and go to 4.0 image. If you see this running, it means it's in process. After that is done, we go back and create another HTTP node. This one should be having a method get, and the URL, let me see, should be this exact one. You can screenshot it or you can enter it manually. For authentication, generic type, header authentication, and if you're connected your credential, it should be here. Now below that we have to toggle on send query parameters, and using fields below. Here we will name this task ID, and for the value we just drag and drop this task ID from the previous waiting node. If you see that green, good job, and that's it. You just have to execute this step now. I got an error, so please make sure that it is named task ID with the I capital and everything else on lower capital. I don't know why the system does this, but this is n8n. If it says echo 200 and you see all this, then it means it was successful. You can copy and paste this URL here and see the image on another tab. Look how realistic is this. After we're done with that, we have to create the video prompts now. Click on plus icon, AI agent, define below. For the prompt, let me go to the main AI, get this one. Don't screenshot it yet. For the user instructions, we have to go again in the beginning, add the Telegram trigger. You can get the instruction here on the caption. Just drag and drop that. Delete this, we don't need it. And the description of the reference image, we get it from the analyze image node. This one, the content. Just drag and drop it. Just like so. If you see everything green, you're okay. Let's add an option here, system message. Click on expression. Now I will copy paste the main system prompt so you can see for yourself. It is a long one, but this makes sure that we have 3 scenes created and each of them have their own script that the AI will create. After that we will stitch them together so we create one full video. I'll move this slowly so you can screenshot this prompt here. Now this is what we have put inside here. We have a hook. This helps the video to become more TikTok shop friendly. We have a product where we show what the product and the benefit it gives. And we have a call to action. Since we are doing TikTok shop videos, we have to have a call to action for every video in the end of it. So people click on the link and buy our product. We have some description, some rules. This is a bit long, but for time's sake, I've just put some rules here so the video becomes super realistic and gets that viral element. Now we toggle on this require specific output format. Click on it and the output parser will come on the bottom. After you click on it, we have to go to structured output parser. And inside of here, let me go to my previous system. Copy and paste this. This is the JSON prompt we should have. Make sure to screenshot this and paste it into your own system also. And toggle this auto fix format in the bottom. This makes sure that the AI agent always outputs in this kind of format. For the chat model and the tool, we just drag and drop the previous one. Just click on it and hold and go to the model. Just drop it there. Drag and drop. Go to tool and drop it into thing. This makes sure we have the same tool and the same chat model, so we don't have to do it twice. But don't forget the output parser needs also a model. So just drag and drop this into the ChatGPT one. Okay, so I was testing some things out and I got some errors. I found out that I forgot to define the using JSON schema on this output parser. This was generated from JSON example. It should be defined using JSON schema. Make sure you select this option or the AI agent will fail every time. After we do that, we click again on the execute step. If you see this kind of output, it means it was a success, so we can move on to the next part. After that, we click on the plus icon and connect a split out node. This is done, so every scene, as you can see now, it is everything inside one variable. We use this node to make everything a different variable, so each scene is one dynamic variable. You will see what I'm saying. Inside this field, just drag and drop these scenes and execute it. Now every scene is a single item. So as you can see, when we got the output from the AI agent, you see one item shown here. It means everything was meshed together as one item. n8n recognizes everything as one item. When we use the split out node, now we have 3 different items. So 3 different scenes. This is how we create the multiple clips. Let's move on to the creation of the videos part. Click on the plus icon and enter HTTP request. Select the post method. For the URL, you have to paste this exact one. Screenshot it so you can get the text. Then we go to authentication, generic. I have the authentication and click on your credentials. Then we click on send body, make sure it is JSON and using JSON. Don't screenshot this yet. Let me remove this. Let's remove this also. Inside of here now, you will have to drag and drop the image we got from the HTTP request. Go to HTTP request and get this results URL on bracket 0 and paste it inside of here. If you see this green, it means it's okay. For the prompt, we just drag and drop these output scenes from the split out node. If everything looks like this, then you're good. As you can see, the prompt has our AI agent prompt for the first scene, and the image URL is the image we created before. Make sure your key.ai account has some credits in it, because when we execute this node, it will take about 90 cents from your account, because we will be creating 3 videos. Each video costs 30 cents with this system. Along with the generated images, it will cost about $1 to create one TikTok Shop AI viral video. We can rename this node if we want, create video, and then execute this step. If we see a code 200 for 3 times, it means this was a success. So everything is in process now. We connect this to a waiting node. In this node, we input at least 300 to 400 seconds because it will take some time before the videos are created, and we execute it. We can also check in the logs and click on Veo3 right here. If we see 3 running processes, it means we are okay. Once that node is executed, we connect another HTTP node to get the videos. Make sure the method is get. For the URL, you have to put this exact one, generic credential type. Just put this like before and connect your credential. Toggle send query parameters using fields below. Name this task ID. And for the value, get the value we got from the previous wait node. If this is green, we can finally execute this. Once that is executed, we get these 3 scenes. Let's check them out. Go onto our results URL and grab this link right here.
Hey friends, so I'm just relaxing outside the village and I wanted to show you something interesting I found. This here caught my eye.
Look at that, how realistic is that? Even they nailed the Jamaican accent.
Look at this bottle, it says natural vitamin B12 and it's all organic. See the fruits and greens? Perfect for some extra energy.
I don't know why this makes me laugh, but this is so good. It looks like a real life. I'm sure that lady will go viral on TikTok. The next step is that we have to stitch together these 3 clips. Click on the plus icon and search for aggregate. This combines many items into one single item. Just drag and drop this results URL 0 from the previous HTTP node inside of this field and execute it. Now we have one single item with the 3 MP4 links. To merge these clips together, we will need to be using the File AI API. Click on the plus icon, enter HTTP request, then go to post method. For the URL, you have to enter this exact one. Please screenshot this and paste it into your own code. Then go to file.ai, create an account there, and make sure you have some credits in it. Then go to search and search for merge videos. And click on the first one where it says merge/videos. We have to go to API. Make sure this table of contents has this HTTP type. You have to go to submit a request and copy this from curl to the end before this bracket right here. Copy this, go to n8n and click on import CURL. Paste this one here. After we get that, then we get this value key here. which we need to enter our API. Please enter your API inside of here. You can get it from fall.ai. Go into home, click on API keys, and add a key. After you create a key, you just need to copy that access token and paste it after this key value. Make sure it has a space in between. Make sure you toggle on this send body to JSON and using JSON. Open this expression and make sure you have this exact same code. Please screenshot this and paste it into ChatGPT to get the text. What this does is that it separates with a comma every link, so it knows we have 3 different files here. If you do it another way, every file will be smashed together and the API will not know which files to merge together. Let me put my API key here and execute the step. While that is being done, we can add a waiting node here after that and click on 25 to 30 seconds. Let's put it 30 seconds and execute it. That's enough for these files to be merging together. Once that's finished, we connect another HTTP node, put the method to get, and enter this exact URL. Please screenshot this and paste it into ChatGPT so we get the text. And we have to import the C URL again like the previous node. But this time we don't copy the same C URL, but click on get results and copy this other URL. Click on it, go to import URL and import it. Now that we are here, we go to this expression. As you can see, we have a request ID, which we have to change. Remove this part and enter this request ID from the previous node. Just drag and drop it. Of course, you have to add your file API key you previously added, and once you add that, you can execute this step. Let me do mine and execute it. Once you have executed this node, the last step now is to get the video back to our Telegram. Click on the plus icon and enter Telegram and search for send the video on the bottom right here. Make sure you have your Telegram account credentials here for your own bot. Resource, message, send the video. The chat ID, we have to get it from the previous first node. As you can see, is this one right here below chat, this ID. And for the video, we get it from the last node we executed, which is this one right here at the top, the URL. Just drag and drop it. Now, once we execute this step, we get the video back to watch. Let's see it together.
Hey friends, so I'm just relaxing outside the village and I wanted to show you something interesting I found. This here caught my eye. Look at this bottle. It says natural vitamin B12 and it's all organic. See the fruits and greens? Perfect for some extra energy.
Okay, so this last part is muted because when I saw the key API logs, I saw that it was limited by Google Veo3. It looks like it broke some kind of policy, but these kind of things happen. And to fix it, you just change the prompt up a little bit. One last thing you should be doing is turning this workflow on. After you do that, you can send prompts and images into Telegram without needing to manually click execute workflow every time. That was the whole workflow. As you can see, it was pretty long. Now you can promote different affiliate products from Amazon or another site into your TikTok account using this AI system, and everything will be done on autopilot. You can also get this full workflow with everything filled up. You just have to enter your credentials inside my AI community, the AI Syndicate. We have tons more templates like this one with resources and step-by-step tutorials. You can get immediate help from us every time your workflow breaks or something is not working. I'll be uploading this step-by-step tutorial along with the resources inside my community also. If you're interested in this kind of stuff, I made sure I left a link in the description so you can join. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, as these videos take a lot of time to make, and I'll see you on the next one.